another collaboration with Born Pretty. They was nice enough to send your girl over another set of gel nail polishes. So I am going to just go ahead and unwrap this packaging for you guys. But if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button. And make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do drop another video, you guys won't miss it. So let's jump right into this nail swatch. So inside this box, it do come with a pamphlet. Pretty much the pamphlet show you guys how to do a gel set. So this set do come with 6 reflective glitter gel nail polish. Now, if you want this set, I will leave the link down below in my description box, as well as this set will also be in my Amazon storefront, and any other Born Pretty gel nail polish that I have tried will also be in my storefront as well. So I already prepped my nails already. I did put my base coat. So this first color is called BP-FBS03. And this is how this color looks. So I am going to go ahead and swatch this color on my nail. So after my 2 coats and my top coat, this is how the nail turned out. If you are someone who likes a lot of glitter on your nails, I would say go in with 2 to 3 coats. But 2 to 3 coats is good for my liking. This color is a pretty silver glitter color. This is a color that I would definitely use for the winter time. So this next color is called BP-FBS01. So this is the finished look on how this color look. I do like this silver. It's more like a lighter color silver, and if you really look closely, you can see like it do have like a blue undertone to the silver color. That is something that I do like about it. These glitters so far, it have like different colors of glitter in it. So far this color is my favorite color. So this next color is called BP-FBS04. So after 2 coats, this is how this color looks. So I do like the fact that this is a pink shade with like rainbow sparkle glitters. This color is very pretty. I thought I like the second color, but honestly speaking, I think I like this color a little bit more. So this next polish is BP-FBS05. Okay guys, so this is the final look of this color. I feel like this color is giving like a champagne gold. You do see the hint of rainbow in it. If you guys need some dope glitter gel nail polish, definitely try out this set. Now this next color here is BP-FBS02. So this is how that color looks. I feel like this color is kind of similar to the first shade of silver. I feel like this one is just a tad bit lighter. It do have a slight rainbow sparkle to it, just a slight rainbow sparkle. I do still feel like this is a pretty color as well. Last but not least, this is BP-FBS06. how the last color turned out. It is a pretty pink color, and it do have those rainbow sparkles. For my nails, I think I'm going to go in with the first and the last color. I do like how these colors look. I may have to go in with some white. I do have a white from Born Pretty, so I may go in with a white just to balance these two colors out. So this is how all the colors look. I do apologize for not having the colors in the frame. My viewfinder was upside down and I didn't realize, but definitely stay tuned because I am going to be getting my nails done in the morning. So guys, this is the final result on how my nails turned out. Now for the ombre color, she did go in with a pink acrylic base. This base is not from Born Pretty. I did go in and bring a pink gel polish that I did have previously from Born Pretty, but the ombre wouldn't have came out as beautiful as it did if I did use the two gel polish. That was the only color that was not from Born Pretty, but overall I do like how my nails turned out. They are so beautiful and I get so many compliments on my nails. So shout outs to Born Pretty for sending over this gel nail polish. If you guys want to see more nail videos, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do drop another video you guys won't miss it. I hope you guys stay safe and be blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later.